Hello and welcome. Many students believe that chemistry is a subject to memorize, to mug up, to cram in an unintelligent manner. And therefore, I have interviewed many students while coming to class 11, telling that chemistry is their most hated subject. They don't like chemistry, but they have to mug up. Why? Because they have not learned the logic behind chemistry. Just like physics, mathematics, and any other science topic has a well-founded logic, chemistry has a logic too. Oh, by the way, I am Sudhansu Tripathy. I was teaching in Ravenshaw College, now the university, and after voluntary retirement, I have been engaging myself in popularizing chemistry in the school level, in the college level, in the university level. And today I'll be telling you that this 26-27 academic year, I will be starting my free online classes for very talented and aspiring students, serious students who enjoy learning, not spoon feeding in chemistry. And interestingly, we'll be starting from May 7th. May 7th is Thursday. We will be starting. And very funnily, I take my classes at early morning 4:30 a.m. It is a pleasure. I have been watching for those serious students. It's a pleasure to be with me, and it's my pleasure to be with you at such an early morning, 1 hour, max 1 hour. We study the different aspects, different topics of class 11 and then 12. I take the responsibility if and only if a guy or a girl is serious and proves that he is dependent on me. Of course, that will be required for those who will be joining in Zoom. But no required to join in Zoom. If you are not available in the early morning time, then you can have the benefit of watching my video. I will be covering the topics in a very systematic manner. Mole concept, atomic structure, periodic classification. Of course, mole concept will include the stoichiometric calculation, volumetric analysis, all the related chemical arithmetic, as I call. And then chemical bond, thermodynamics, and so on and so forth, organic chemistry, and so on. So, those who will not be able to join my Zoom classes, I will be sharing my Zoom class link just 10 minutes before the class. So you can find, I'm forgetting to tell you, those who are interested to join will join. I'll be putting my 45 years, more than that, of my teaching to brilliant and bright students of Ravenshaw University, now the Ravenshaw University, erstwhile Ravenshaw College, to school students, college students, and university students, and I will put all my experience in guiding you for achieving not only a good score in chemistry in your board examination, but our primary target will be the JEE, IITJEE advanced, as well as NEET. So that will be our primary focus, and we shall be focusing on the concept rather than studying in a very unsystematic, monotonous manner. So let me show you how you will join. If you are serious about learning chemistry conceptually, you may join my Telegram channel. Nowadays you might not be knowing that Telegram channel is becoming more powerful than WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, I have to make all these efforts to put you in a group. But in Telegram, if you just put it in, if you have a Telegram channel, you go to this, you just put this in your Telegram channel, you will get my channel and you click join. Or else if you don't have, you download the app, Telegram app, and then join. You just click this link, you will be asked to join. Click join, you will join my channel. So you will be a part of this class 11. Yes, this is 11 program. So yeah, I was interested to tell you how logically, I'll give you few examples how students, they hate chemistry. I have interviewed many students. When I ask what will happen when PbO2 reacts with HCl, they, without any logic, they write PbCl2 plus water. That's it. But this is wrong. If you are given to believe that every atom in a compound has an oxidation state, lead will have an oxidation state of +4 here, you will know. Don't worry at all. And here it is +2. So there is a reduction. Decrease in oxidation number means reduction. And there must be an oxidation. So here chlorine -1, it has to go to 0 state. So chlorine gas will be formed. So whenever there is a reduction, there has to be an oxidation. So logically your prediction was wrong. You have to write chlorine gas, then only you can prove that it is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. You can't balance it. If you write a wrong equation, prediction becomes wrong, then you can't balance it. Similarly, if you are given KMnO4 plus sulfuric acid heat, you will write, you may not, potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water. But without knowing that what is happening, manganese in oxidation state here is +7 in KMnO4, now it is reduced to +2. So when reduction is there, so there must be an oxidation. That is the oxygen has a -2 state and it will go to 0 state. So oxygen gas will be evolved. Then we can balance it. Here chromic oxide is +3, but here in chromic acid it is +6. How +3 can go to +6 without a reduction? If oxidation will happen, there must be a reduction. There is no reduction here. So immediately you will correct it. No, this acid is correct. So this is wrong. This is CrO3, not Cr2O3. So this is +6, this is +6. So this is a non-redox reaction. No change of oxidation number happening. No oxidation reduction happening. Similarly, this one is tin is in +4. Here it is +2. So this is wrong. This has to be 4, stannic chloride. Then only it will be a non-redox reaction. Now, unlike PbO2, SnO2 is not an oxidizing agent. I'm just telling you in a very crude way to impress upon you that everything, whether it is inorganic chemistry or physical chemistry or organic chemistry, if we understand logically, then you will be getting a charm, an interest to study of your own and fathom deep into a topic and explore many things. I am there to guide you. I am not there to spoon feed you. So the basic purpose, of teaching now at this age, free classes, because it gives immense satisfaction to me. And not only I teach, but also I study. I am a student like you. I study more than I teach. If I teach for 2 hours a day, then I study more than that. So we are students. And the only advantage that I have got an experience to explain the topics, put forth my experiences. Okay, so you will join these topics we will be covering class 11. Then I will be also putting in that channel the video link. I will be uploading immediately after the class. I will be uploading the video in the YouTube and give you the link here. So you have to be in my channel. So whether you join in at 4:30 or you just sleep like Kumbhakarna, you cannot wake up. No, you watch the video later and ask me your doubt. In that channel, you can ask me your doubt, or personal ID, you can ask me your doubt. I can clear you. I will give all the study materials PDF file in that channel. And also some important questions, NEET and JEE questions on that topic to excite you that these are very simple things once you understand. Okay, then bye. See you on 7th Thursday morning 4:30. It will be better that some of you should join me. You will find a real difference between joining the class, interacting directly, and watching it later. There is a difference, no doubt. No doubt there is a difference. But if you cannot, supposing you cannot wake up, so you have to watch. Bye. See you. And you forward this message to as many good students of class 11 who have just now, planning to study. You may study in coaching centers, doesn't matter. If you have time to study with me, you can join. Or if you cannot have time but to follow me, you can do that also. I am acceptable in any way you like. But Zoom, those who will be accepted in Zoom, I will recruit very judiciously. Those will be sitting directly with me, interacting with me. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. There has been a mistake. In that channel ID, Telegram channel ID, there is, by mistake, a plus sign was being inserted. So there is no plus sign. Sud plus Ensu, nothing that. So you remove that plus sign. It is t.me/SST Chemistry Sudhansu. SST Chemistry Sudhansu. That is the channel. Bye-bye.